Sensational settings are important to a novel. You need to set your story in the absolute best place that you could set it. So for instance, when Harry Potter came out, the Hogwarts school was the best place to put a lot of that would happen, and so that was carefully crafted and created for it. When I wrote Chasing Sunrise, which has just been released, I put that on the island of St. Croix, but I wanted to have the hurricane come. So in order to do that, first I spent the whole beginning of the book setting up St. Croix, and we set it up with how beautiful that the island is, and there's all the scuba diving, and so we spend a lot of time scuba diving and getting to know the different things that are there on the island and what it looks like and what the breezes are like and what the water's like and everything about St. Croix until you know that island incredibly well. So then when the bad guys come, we're like a little bit anticipating we don't want them to hurt the island, but then when we have the hurricane come and it starts to decimate 95% of the island, that was the perfect place for that setting. It needed to be on the island of St. Croix if we're gonna have a hurricane that's gonna come and decimate 95% of it, because that's where that did happen. Also, when we talk about the Christmas story, we need Bethlehem and we need a whole census where everybody's moving and the population is going to different places. When we do Star Wars, we needed it to be out in space. And it's really a story of cowboys and Indians, but it's just done in space. When we're doing The Lone Ranger, it needs to be done out in the Wild West. It needs to happen in that particular setting where the setting actually becomes almost part of a character. And it comes and it backs up and it is the foundation and it sets up for the plot and what's going to happen.